Good day to everyone, good day to Mr. Emmanuel and to all my fellow students. Today I'll be showing you my mini landing website. This website is just a mixture of all the things I've learned to do in coding class over the past few months. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So first of all, we start off with HTML. The HTML is the base frame or like the post of our website or web page. We start off with the nav bar or navigation bar. The class for it is navlinks and the ID is also navlinks. This allows us to add different things, the ID allows us to add things to the list whenever we want. Keep in mind that we have linked this file, the HTML file, to its CSS file. Over here you can see that we have anchored the about page and the contact page, and here we have the menu icon and the toggle menu. We can give toggle menu a function over here, function toggle menu, and now so when you click on it, which is on click right here, it gets the element by ID. So it gets nav links, that's the ID, and then toggle show, which allows you to show everything in the list of the class. This is the class, which is nav links, and allows us to toggle show the list. Over here we can see my home page, the heading, which is the home page, and then this is the paragraph that has all information. Over here the form is used to create the button, as we need the form to create a button, and then here we have the H reference. Right now when I click play now, you won't go anywhere because I haven't created the game yet. But when I do create the game, I can anchor the link here and also go to the game whenever I click on it. And then over here we have the gallery, which has all our images and their alternate text in case it doesn't load up. That's all for HTML. Let's move on to the CSS. On our CSS, it's super long, so I'm trying to go through as effectively as possible. So first of all, we have the font family, which is Arial, Helvetica, and Sans Serif. Second of all, the text is aligned to the center and the background is aquamarine. The navigation bar is this dark blue color and the padding is 20px to keep it small enough in our web page. Its color is white, and then the display flex. We also display flex, which allows us to use flexbox components. We justify content, giving us space between each piece of text. And again, now right here we align item center. So navlinks, which is the class, has no list style, moving all the dots from the list, and it also allows you to flexbox by adding display flex. I put a 20 pixel gap between each thing on item on the list. The navlinks anchor tag has no decoration, meaning remove the underline, and then it's white color and it's bold, and it takes 0.3 seconds for it to transition color. When we hover over it changes color to orange. This is from the logo image, which I did not use. Over here, the menu icon displays none, and then the font size is 24px, and when you go over it, the cursor changes to a pointer and the color is white. So this is where things are getting difficult. The media is which is max width is 768 pixels, has navlinks. With this, if you're mobile, you can still choose about and contact options through clicking on the menu icon. And this is the navlinks. So keep in mind we're still in the media section. This is the navlinks hover. So now whenever I hover over it, it turns blue. And then this graphic show, which allows you to display Flexbox items. Menu icon is displayed in a block style, meaning it's blocky shape. And then first heading has the typing animation. These are pretty basic stuff. It has the margin of 0, font size, margin top of 0, font size of 50px, its color of gray, so on and so on, overflow hidden, and width of 0. The typing animation means that it goes from with 0 to with 40% and goes back. And here's the button. This is probably the easiest part. So it does have a border, meaning those black lines are removed. The border radius is 12px or 100px, which curves it, and the bottom margin bottom is 2em, which allows us to squeeze it all into one place. Text align, it aligns the text in the center and overflow is hidden. The border color is transparent, making the lines also see through, and the color is chartreuse. And here's the gallery. The gallery displays all the images in the grid and max 59px with a 15 pixel gap between each image, and the grid template columns are put in rows of 3 and divided equally thanks to the 1fr. If it was 2fr, then they will be like double the weight. Image, the overflow is hidden for all images or all cards in the image division class. They have a box shadow. The overflow is hidden and the border radius is 12px. And then this is a mistake. This is meant to be image, but anyway, dot image with 100% display block transition all the way before ease. And this, in fact, let me show you right now as we speak. For image and with 100%. Now these are the hover effects that happen when you hover over them. Now we are done with that, so let's go all the way over here and view it. Here we go, and now in the mobile view we can use this. You see, we can still go to other places, and there we go. We're done with it. Let's go submit the new edited one. So over here, oh no, my email. Anyway, we add the new CSS since the old one had a glitch in it. Wait a minute, I hope I saved. Let me go save again. Okay, now I saved. I go here. Now I've saved. I'm gonna send this one in while deleting the old one. Here's the new one, here's the old one. And then here, delete file. Yes, delete file. Now these are the answers. So thank you for viewing, and I hope to see you again later. Bye.